Hi viewers, in this video you are going to watch how to add two 8-bit numbers using microprocessor. As I have said earlier, we are going to see the program for adding two 8-bit numbers using the microprocessor 8085. So the learning outcome is the viewers can be able to write the program. For this, we are having the following assumptions. First one, the starting address of the program is 2000. The memory address of the number where we are going to store the data is 2500 and the second number is in 2501. The results will be stored in 2502 and 2503. So we are having these two numbers as an example, 03 and 07, and we are going to add these two numbers 03 and 07. So when you add these 03 and 07, you will get the result as 0A and the carry will be 0 0. You have to remember one thing, all these data are hexadecimal data only. So this explains the algorithm or the flow of the program. So this is the program: address, opcode, mnemonics and the activity of the each instructions. Here let us see the first instruction, XOR A. This instruction will clear the accumulator. So accumulator will have the value 0 0. Next instruction is MVI C, 0 0. We are also clearing the register C, or we are storing the value C 0 0 in the C register. Next one, LXIH 2500. LXIH 2500 is a 3-byte instruction and we are going to store the first data as 03. So 2500 will get the first data 03. So this data, next instruction is move A, M. So this instruction executes the 03 which is stored in this address 2500 will be transferred to the accumulator. Therefore A gets the value first number 03. Our next instruction is INXH, increment the register 2500. So 2500 address is incremented by 1. So we get the value 2501. Next instruction is move B, M. So the second data 07 is transferred to this address 2501. Next instruction is add B. Add B means it will add the content of B with the content of A and the result will be stored in A. Our next instruction is JNC, a line number. What is meant by JNC? JNC is jump on no carry. After adding these two numbers, if a carry bit occurs means this will go to this statement. Otherwise, if there is no carry means the control will be shifted to from this state to L1 line number. This statement will be skipped. If it gets carry means it will execute this statement. If it doesn't get any carry means it will skip this statement and it will execute this statement. So a carry occurs means C will get 0, 1. Next instruction is INXH 2501 incremented by 1. So it is 2502. Our next instruction is move M, C. So whatever stored in this one C register will be moved to the address 2502. Next instruction increment H. So 2502 is incremented by 1. So we get the address 2503 and we are storing the result which is stored in A in the address 2503. Halt means it will stop the execution of the program. Thank you.